Tax consultant job role, practical experience guidelines and AI contribution. Hello and welcome to the role of a tax consultant. In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, tax consultants not only help businesses, also individuals comply with tax regulations but also play a vital role in optimizing financial decisions. Whether working through automated platforms or providing strategic advice, a tax consultant bridges the gap between compliance as well as opportunity. This career offers continuous learning, challenging work, and the satisfaction of helping clients succeed in a complex regulatory world. Let's explore what it takes to thrive in this dynamic role. Job description. A tax consultant provides expert advice to individuals and organizations on tax planning, compliance, also filing to minimize tax liabilities while ensuring adherence to relevant laws. This role involves assessing financial documents, identifying deductions or credits, as well as offering strategic recommendations for optimal tax efficiency. Industry profile. Tax consulting plays a critical role across industries, especially in corporate finance, real estate, and international business. With evolving global tax regulations, also advancements in AI-powered solutions, tax consultants are increasingly required to stay current with digital tools to automate routine processes along with focus on strategic planning. Key responsibilities. Tax planning and advisory. Provide tailored tax-saving strategies to clients. Compliance and documentation. Ensure timely submission of tax returns in compliance with local, national, also international tax regulations. Audit support. Assist clients in navigating tax audits as well as resolving tax disputes with authorities. Monitoring regulatory changes. Stay updated on the latest tax laws along with regulations affecting clients' industries. Digital tools utilization. Use AI-powered platforms and tax software to automate calculations, reporting, including filing processes. Client management. Build long-term relationships with clients to manage their tax portfolio efficiently. At a glance. Your interest. If you enjoy numbers, problem solving, and keeping up with financial regulations. Entry qualification. Bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, economics, or law. Certification like ACCA, CPA, or CTA is advantageous. Lifestyle. Requires attention to detail, also peak workload periods during tax season. Location. Can operate in diverse industries, from corporate offices to financial consultancies or remote settings. The realities, high-pressure deadlines, need for continuous learning, as well as detailed analysis are part of the role. Soft Skills Guide. Ability to analyze complex financial information. Clear articulation of tax-related information to non-experts. Familiarity with tools like QuickBooks, SAP and AI tax platforms. Managing multiple deadlines, especially during tax filing periods. Staying updated with frequent changes in tax laws. Ensuring compliance with legal requirements and avoiding aggressive tax strategies. Career path. Trainee tax consultant. Entry-level position to develop core skills and familiarity with tax regulations. Junior consultant. Work under senior consultants to manage small client portfolios. Certified consultant. Obtain professional certifications, also specialize in corporate or international taxation. Tax manager. Lead a team of consultants as well as manage large client portfolios. Senior tax advisor. Provide strategic insights to top management on mergers, acquisitions including cross-border taxation. Partner/director in tax consultancy firm. Shape firm strategy, manage key accounts along with expand business operations. Related careers. Financial analyst, analyses financial data to aid decision-making. Accountant, manages and reports financial information. Auditor, ensures financial statements comply with laws, also regulations. Legal advisor, advises on legal aspects of tax as well as compliance. Data analyst in finance, uses analytics to forecast tax liabilities including savings. Technology consultant, tax software advises on integrating AI-powered tax solutions. Here is a list of practical experiences for a tax consultant and how to learn them effectively with the help of the latest and updated technology. Tax planning and compliance management. How to learn. Online platforms. Take courses on platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or edX that cover corporate and individual tax planning. Updated technology. Use tax software like QuickBooks, Xero, or SAP to practice tax calculations, compliance reporting, also filing. Simulations. Engage in case-based learning or simulation software that mimics real-world tax scenarios. Financial data analysis for tax purposes. How to learn. Tools and technologies. Familiarize yourself with Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and AI-powered tools like Alteryx or Tableau for analyzing financial data. Certifications. Enroll in courses that teach financial modeling, also data analysis techniques. Hands-on projects. Participate in internships or freelance projects to gain experience in financial data analysis. Mastering tax software and AI platforms. How to learn. Software training. Get certified in tax software such as TurboTax, Avalara, or Handar Block. AI for tax compliance. Learn to use AI-powered platforms like Thomson Reuters OneSource for automated reporting. Workshops. Attend live online workshops or webinars that demonstrate the use of AI in tax consulting. Legal and regulatory research skills. How to learn. Research platforms. Use Bloomberg Tax, LexisNexis, or Westlaw to stay updated with the latest tax regulations. Certifications. Take legal research courses focused on tax law. Continuous learning. Join professional organizations like ICA or ACCA to access industry insights and tax updates. Client communication and relationship management. How to learn. Courses. Take communication courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy to enhance soft skills. CRM systems. Hands-on experience with CRM tools like Salesforce or HubSpot to manage client relationships. Role-playing exercises. Engage in role-playing scenarios to practice client interactions and delivering strategic tax advice. Handling tax audits and disputes. How to learn. Workshops. Join workshops that focus on audit readiness and handling tax disputes. Audit software. Practice with tools like AuditFile or IDEA to get comfortable with audit documentation. Mock audits. Participate in mock audits during internships to gain practical experience. Forecasting and strategic tax advisory using AI. How to learn. AI courses. Take specialized courses in AI for finance on platforms like DataCamp or Udacity. Forecasting tools. Learn to use tools like IBM Planning Analytics or Anaplan for strategic tax forecasting. Certifications. Earn certifications in financial advisory or business consulting with AI-focused curricula. Risk management and tax compliance automation. How to learn. Automation tools. Get training in robotic process automation, RPA, with tools like UiPath or Blue Prism to automate tax compliance tasks. Risk management courses. Enroll in courses focused on financial risk management, FRM, with a tax angle. Real-life scenarios. Work on projects involving automated compliance or regulatory monitoring in tax consultancy firms. These practical experiences provide a comprehensive roadmap for aspiring and practicing tax consultants, leveraging the latest technologies to enhance their skill sets and improve service delivery. 8. A contribution to autonomous transformation for tax consultant role. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role, or description, follow our channel Career Quest.